Despite clearing the SSLC examinations of 2025, hundreds of students in Jaintia Hills are now facing an uncertain academic future. With no space available for fresh admissions in higher secondary institutions, the Jaintia Students' Union is stepping up its protest. In response, the Jaintia Students' Union central body has announced a peaceful sit-in protest at Lat Kyang Nangba College in Jawai, starting on the 28th of May 2025. JSU President Jersam Shila says the protest is aimed at urging upon the government to immediately address this institutional bottleneck and make room for all deserving students. The union has been demanding the introduction of an evening shift at Kyang Nangba Government Higher Secondary School and also a morning shift at Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jawai as a temporary relief measure. The GSU is also calling on parents, students and the public to join the protest, highlighting how students, particularly those from low-income families, are being denied their right to continue their education simply because of a lack of space. As frustration grows, the GSU hopes this movement will push the authorities into urgent action to prevent a generation of students from being left behind.
Igam nginong ilang sen mangasngi bon gi phone call so one gi bay pai khna yung yo class ka man gatte gini khna do class sa thu bon han ki ong man to ko one gi long yung sem go do the how the din with you the bon bai khna pass on news nam you ti when liam go government the like something ndre go sia si ha do ni ga sngi wan nang bon gi khna yung yo class Senja siune gisngi depan man gijing elang bu kerke porga office yang besar. Lecimula de gobi gerai. Wobi ki penman no de gijing ki. Hai jing itu open sinyal ke sorkar wa apa ni kelas bayi ini kena yang ini. De gijing ki go besar pelan go penman to man di step. Hai ni halap college. Kerpa dia waro kena skor. Kiura pemyo like kelas iwan di institution. Osnya bahagi one step ini halap college hai por khabi bije kerpat gi bagi pai kena le wi amlam bagi kon yang pi ne ba step open money ge sit in demonstration keni man ga kapchi ta open snyao le ni jing snyao si yang ni open snyao ke sorkar to adu ne isngi kimi kon ti ini wi bara yang ni mem yo kelas ki ne liang ga sen ban se ri hap chim ni ga sen jam ga sen le ego ga assurance oro in kena pure wa ne liang yang ni kap mempuyok kelas yang pergi jingi ki dan nang penjoro ini sekumat. Ajing sekian mempuak penman ke jingi ki. Tang wayu ini yang bersorkar. Aduh ni kesengi memsuba apa ini. Temban sehidup penman ke jingi ki. Te kerpat ewa bersorkar ledesnya ini kubar. Osnya bahag optim. Gawan ke solution. Kenang wa iyo penyerap ini kena yang ini. JSU hopak ke ini proposal. Even the memorandum of Chief Minister, you cut Chief Minister, you solve the problem. Tang hadu ne you memi la ne te dam ban se de pun man ni jing ki yogi. The ni jing do wa yogi open ni evening shift or morning shift. Kam chi banta tho immediate solution. Ladang em go itu one solution go government ye go top class ni kana. Ika musen pediang ye kata solution.